Ciao Tesla people, today I'm going to do a road trip to a town called Impruneta, which is right outside Florence. I think it's around 25 kilometers, probably less. And it's going to be a nice ride because you go through the countryside, the hills too. So you'll come with me and check it out the town and the nice ride. I'll see you in a bit. So I'm in Montefiorelle. Park the car down there, and this is a castle here, medieval castle. It's a very small village on top of the hill. There is a castle. It's pretty cool, and there are all vineyards and olive trees. They make wine and olive oil here, and we are right in the Chianti region. It's really cool. Look at this. So a castle. Pretty cool. So let's walk down here. I have some people waiting for me. And he is basically close to Greve in Chianti. Few kilometers, probably 3-4 kilometers from Greve in Chianti. It's really nice. Yeah. Very cool. So I'm going to enjoy this stop, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay? Here. Look how nice.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Hey again. I just got home. I didn't record anything on the way back because the road was the same. So anyway, I was in the small village with the castle and that thing. It was really nice. The ride was good. Nice road trip. Unfortunately, it's 35 degrees Celsius here in Florence, and it was much cooler in the Chianti. Anyway, nice road trip, and I'll do it again probably in next few days or and weeks for sure. And that's it. I'm going to leave in the description my Tesla referral. So if you buy a Tesla, you can get up to 1,000 euros or dollar discount. So if you buy it, use my Tesla referral. Also, they add 3 months free FSD, which is pretty cool. And also I have all the links about my accessories that I installed on my Tesla. So if you get some, I'll get a cut, a small percentage, but you don't get charged. And that's it. Please subscribe to the channel, share it, turn on the notification, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people. Leave a like.